bring them out, bring them out, bring them out, bring them out. It's hard to yell when the barrel's in your mouth. Come on.
Hey everybody, welcome to Fix Your Sister's Crown Kitchen Edition. Today we are making Swedish meatballs. Woohoo! So I know you're wondering why Swedish meatballs. Well, someone gave me a huge bag of meatballs. I didn't want to throw them in the garbage. So I said, you know what? I will be thrifty and I'm going to use the meatballs for a recipe on the show. We're going to do Swedish meatballs because I don't want to throw all these meatballs away. So that's why I'm making it, because it was given to me. Okay, so I know how to make meatballs. Don't get it twisted. I usually make them from scratch, but since these are already, made for me, we're gonna have to do our gravy a little different. So what I want to do is first fry up the meatballs so I can get some, like a little small paste at the bottom so it can build up our gravy. So first thing we're gonna do is take out our olive oil because we're gonna fry up the meatballs. Get that oil nice and hot. I hope everyone had a great week. Thank God that we are alive, well, for most of us who have jobs. Give God praise for our jobs. Okay, so we got the meatballs in. So we had a really interesting week this week. We had two of our brothers and sisters that we are really keeping up in prayer. I did a video yesterday. So if you haven't seen the video, please go back and watch the video. I don't want to drain it, talking about it again, but let's just keep them in prayer. Oh, by the way, these are all turkey meatballs. Looking pretty done for me. Got a little brown. Trying to get that brown to the bottom so when we make our gravy. Yeah, that was good. 1/4 cup of butter. Add your onions. Can you believe with this recipe, I am not going to put garlic in here? Can you believe it? I can't. Add the onions. 1/3 cup of flour. Now when you stir it, make sure you get the bottom of it up, because we want that fried taste to it. We want to get all our stock. 4 cups of beef broth. 3/4 cup of sour cream. Now that seemed weird to me because I don't know how you put sour cream in gravy, but let's try it. And salt and pepper to taste. And 2 tablespoons of fresh cut parsley leaves. Now forgive my leaves, you guys, but I bought them earlier today and I stuck them in the refrigerator, and I think my refrigerator got too cold. So now look at my leaves. They look so withered and tired. Alrighty. Looks good. Almost looked like the picture I saw online. Let it just sit there for a few seconds. I'm gonna let the gravy really get into the meatballs. Only thing I don't like is the way that sour cream isn't totally breaking down. We'll see how it tastes. Alright, let's see what it tastes like. First I want to taste the gravy. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. The sauce, the sour cream, give it a nice smooth texture. Okay, that's good. Now let's taste the meatball. This is hot. Okay. Not bad. I mean, not as good as if I would have made it from scratch, but the meatballs aren't that bad. The gravy is what's bringing it out. You know what I think I'm gonna do? I'm still gonna title this as one of my bloopers because it's not perfect. Everybody have a swing and a miss, right? Even Jordan missed sometimes. See you next week.
Everybody get up, it's time to slam now. We got the real jam going down. Welcome to the Space Jam. Here's your chance, do your dance at the Space Jam. Alright.